What's up, y'all? It's Lil Clickler here. Welcome back to the channel. So we are under severe thunderstorm warning. It makes me wish my yard could get mowed soon. But anyway, staying on the porch because I don't have any shoes on. Plus, I don't want to get struck by lightning. But where I live in Colfax, we normally get the leftovers. But I'm in Jamestown right now, which is in between High Point and Greensboro. So I think hopefully I'll get to see the real action. If you guys are new here, my name is Lil Clickler and I have high functioning autism. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video. But right now, as you can see, it's getting real crazy. It's actually getting really dark too and windy. Hoping I can film some of the storm before we go eat dinner. So it's getting real windy now. Oh yeah. I wish this oh, is it raining? Oh, it is. Oh, here we go. I sure wish the sirens, I wish they still had the fire whistles and outdoor alarms still active for weather like this. Same thing for the ones at the university. There's ones at the university that are used for tornadoes. You want some help?
Yeah, I was gonna put them out there and let them get. Well, don't get that one out because that bird has a nest there. You get
Oh, okay. Get the other one?
yellow one out.
Alright. I didn't know they built them that low. Especially since I figured they'd be careful because of humans.
Yeah, that one. The rest of them should be fine.
Some
Give
birds.
me the one out of the spot.
Which one? That one?
The one on the ground. Yeah, hurry up.
Alright.
So,
Alright, get ready to hear some thunder. Uh-oh. Somebody in there carried. Someone picked a bad day to carry furniture on the truck. So I get a bed. So I get one of them covers. Can't remember what they called. Oh yeah. Woo! That's a loud clap of thunder. Oh, there's a bird. It's just raining now. Stop recording and have a look at the weather real quick.
the power control? Oh.
Almost thought my parents' power went out for a second. So where I was standing, it looked like the power was out. Now it's just raining. I think the bad part of the storm is gone now, but it's just rain. Ooh. I'm backing up. Get ready for a big loud clap of thunder. Oh. Lights on. I wonder if they got some kind of timer. again. I don't know if they got some kind of timer on or what. It's supposed to end at 6:15. This ain't really that bad. Let's get on here. Woo! There we go. Sounded like something got struck for a second. Kind of far off. Hear that crackling. Hope I don't get struck by lightning. Be fun and scary at the same time to see that those power lines over there get struck, or sub tower, whatever they're called. That will be fun and scary. Here we go. Yeah. Stupid teacher from California. Oh yes, crazy.